it's a saying that goes, it's better to give than to receive.
Right.
My motto is, with God, all things are possible.
Amen.
Amen.
I started the organization with a donation of $500 through a patient that I took care of in the hospital. And I didn't have the organization started when the donation came, but I looked out the window and it was raining very hard, and I decided immediately to call the organization R.A.I.N. And we call ourselves the R.A.I.N family. We are an extended family, and our interest is to keep people at home as long as possible. My name is Beatrice Castiglia-Catullo, and I'm the founder of the R.A.I.N organization.